Ever wondered if an AI could be both incredibly powerful and surprisingly accessible? Today, we're diving deep into Nano Banana AI, a groundbreaking tool that's redefining what's possible in artificial intelligence. At its heart, Nano Banana AI is a highly efficient, modular AI framework designed for rapid deployment and scalability. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for AI tasks, but with unparalleled precision. Its core functionalities span a wide spectrum, including advanced natural language processing that allows for nuanced understanding and generation of text, sophisticated computer vision for image and video analysis, robust predictive analytics for forecasting trends, and adaptive reinforcement learning for optimizing decision-making processes. This versatility makes Nano Banana AI a prime candidate for a multitude of target applications, from optimizing smart city infrastructure and enhancing medical diagnostics to personalizing educational experiences and powering the next generation of robotics. Its adaptability is truly remarkable. What truly sets Nano Banana AI apart are its distinguishing features. Its highly optimized architecture ensures exceptional performance even on resource-constrained environments, making it incredibly efficient. Unlike many broader AI platforms, Nano Banana AI focuses on specific, high-impact modules that can be easily integrated and customized. This modularity significantly reduces development time and operational costs, offering a clear competitive advantage. From a technical standpoint, Nano Banana AI boasts impressive specifications. It's engineered for low latency and high throughput, with advanced model optimization techniques that allow for faster processing and reduced computational requirements. Let's consider potential use cases. Imagine a medical professional using Nano Banana AI to analyze complex diagnostic scans with unprecedented speed and accuracy, identifying subtle anomalies that might otherwise be missed. Or a city planner leveraging its predictive analytics to anticipate traffic congestion and reroute resources proactively. Or a researcher rapidly sifting through massive datasets to uncover critical insights. Nano Banana AI isn't just another AI tool. It's a gateway to intelligent solutions that are both powerful and practical. Understanding its purpose and its suitability for your specific needs is the first step towards unlocking its full potential.